What is up? Welcome to this video. In this video we are going to understand another software engineering concept in Python: cross-origin resource sharing, which is CORS or CORS. CORS is a security mechanism allowing browsers to request resources from origins different than the web page's own. It actually adds HTTP headers that bypass the same origin policy, which normally restricts cross-domain access. When domain A.com needs data from domain B.com, CORS headers let the server explicitly permit these cross-origin requests, enabling secure communication while preventing cross-site request forgery. So before we look at our practical example, we are going to look at CORS configuration in Python. Python web frameworks actually implement CORS through middleware or decorators that add required HTTP headers. Flask uses flask-cors extension. Fast API has built-in CORS middleware, and then Django uses the Django-cors-headers package. These tools specify allowed origins, HTTP methods, and whether credentials can be included in the requests. So if we look here, we have a practical example for you to try out in VS Code. So yeah, this is the practical example. Do try this out from Fast API. Import Fast API, and then try this out in your VS Code. Let us know how it went in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video.